Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this lovely clutch purse with your Ankara fabric, your African print fabric. So I'll be teaching you how to make use of it. A lot of my subscribers have been asking me, Khembuzz, how can I use my fabric, my Ankara fabric for a clutch purse? This has the full details of how you can go about it. So guys, please, this is the second phase of this video. Please kindly go and watch the part one of this video. Please kindly go and watch. That is where we have the pattern drafting. It is step-by-step tutorial. Please go back and watch it. It's gonna be just go back and watch it before you watch the second part. So guys, now the next thing I'll be doing now is to cut out my fabric by using my pattern. I'm just going to cut it out, then use same pattern to cut out my wooden. It's an interface. It's called interface, right? So it's the name of the interface is called wooden. So I'll have to cut out my wooden using my pattern, and I'll have to cut my black lining. I'll be using black lining. So I'll cut out my black lining using that same pattern. So guys, the next thing is to take my iron and iron my fabric to my interface. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Like, comment on my videos, share my videos. Thank you very much. I love you all and God bless you. Guys, I'm through with the iron, so I'm just going to trim out the excess interface, the excess gum stay. Just trim it out. Then after trimming it out, then I'm just going to stitch. One more thing, I would like to chip in something. The gusset of the bag, I added 0.5. If you watch the part one, I added it 0.5. Guys, you can add more than that. You can add 0.5, 0.7. You can add 1 inch, depending on how you want. Depending on how you want it to look like. So you can add 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 or 1 inch, whichever way you would like it to look when after doing it. So guys, I'm just going to stitch both sides. After stitching it, then I'm going to take 1 inch out of the bottom parts. Yes, just 1 inch like this, mark it and stitch it. So I'm going to be doing that both sides, and after that just trim it. I'm going to cut the excess one I don't need. I'm going to cut it out and turn my fabric out. Here I'm using my macro to bring out the frame. Guys, you can use anything. You can use fiber, you can use Kentex, you can use any leather board for the frame. So basically this is for the frame. What I did, or how I derived to this point, I just use my pattern, the frame part, to bring it out of the leather board, and then just sketch it out from my macro. I used a 0.4 for the width. So guys, if you want to do yours, you can use any leather board. It's just for you to pad the frame part. So guys, you can see how, how I just put it inside the frame. So that is how it's going to look like. So the next thing for me to do is to also stitch my lining. Don't forget the same pattern, the same way I stitch my fabric, my African print. That is the way you stitch your lining. So right now I'm just, like you're seeing right now, just gum my whatever leather board you're using, just gum it on your fabric, your lining fabric, and just fold the tips a little bit. Now I'm through with the outer and with the inner part of my clutch purse, so I'm just going to apply a little bit gum to the corset and fold it a little bit at the corset side. Then after this, the next thing is just for me to apply gum all around the inner part and all around my outer parts, the inside. So I'll just apply gum to it, and after applying gum to it, wait for it to dry a little bit, then gum everything together, and then I'm just going to stitch everything. Now I'm through stitching everything, so now I'm just gonna be using my frame. This is the time I'll be using my frame, so I'm just going to be using B6000 glue for the metal frame. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue inside the metal frame and then suck my fabric inside of the frame. Guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you understand. Please kindly drop a comment for me. You know, if you really love this video, drop a comment. And guys, please guys, if you have any questions, you can also drop your questions under the comment section. Please share my videos, like and comment. I love you all, and God bless you.